Do you want to know how you can log into your Fliki AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Fliki AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar to search for Fliki. Click on the official link of Fliki and then click Login, which is over here. After you click Login, it will take you to this page where you can select any of these modes to log into your account. So if you are easy for you to log in with Google, click on Continue with Google, click on your email address, click Continue, and in a while you can notice that you have logged into your Fliki AI account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Fliki AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.